Hello, everyone, and happy May. Happy stay at home May. Hopefully, we won't be staying at home all month. I just wanted to give you some preview of coming events here with us at Hormone Detox Shop this May. So, this is a detox month for us, detox theme. So some things we're going to be covering are some yummy recipes that are detoxifying, some smoothies and drinks and salads, and I'll be making videos of those, and we'll have the blog version for you to print as well. We'll talk a little bit about dry brushing, and we'll have our dry brush set on sale. That's a really easy way to energize and detoxify. It even helps with cellulite. Let's see, checking my cheat sheet. We'll talk a little bit about COVID too, some of the connection between toxins and COVID. They're finding that men, one reason they might be more susceptible is because they're often drivers and exposed to that air pollution. So I'll talk a little bit about that connection. One supplement we'll be featuring is broccoli sprouts and seed, which is great for detoxifying chemicals in the environment like that. We'll also talk about our detox greens. A little more on COVID. We'll talk about the vitamin D deficiency, which is so common in COVID susceptibility. We're going to have a sale on our olive leaf product. There's a lot more new stuff coming out about COVID, so I'll be touching on that here and there about how it's removing iron from red blood cells, how it can cause rashes, some new information on kids and COVID, nutrition in COVID, brain effects after COVID that kind of linger, which is probably brain inflammation. So I want to look into that. You may have also heard about it causing some strokes and clotting in younger people. So, I'm not on the front lines of COVID, so I don't want to, overstep my bounds there. But I do want to save you time by disseminating some of this information and just giving you my clear take on it from some research that I can do for you to help you sort through it all. Some other things we have going on, we're bringing in Connie Zach from Sunlighten to talk about sauna and detox, sauna and immunity. Sauna also helps with stress and sleep right now. So she'll come on. Then we've got 2 mold experts coming on. We're going to really focus on mold this month. You may be finding that as you're stuck at home, your home isn't making you feel so good. And if you've been questioning if you have mold, it may be a time to look into it, because it will dysregulate your immune system, make you more inflamed, which does make you more susceptible to viruses potentially. So we'll have some great conversations on testing and everything about mold. So if you're interested, that will be coming up. Let's see, am I missing anything else? I think that's mostly it. So thanks for learning with us. We're looking forward to giving you some good information this May, and hopefully just kind of keeping your spirits up the best we can, giving you some tools to feel like you're in control of your health during this crazy time. Thanks, everyone.